whatever you can think of HT, and it's great to have you guys here. Is this, are you starting with the Delhi leg of the promotions with us, or have you been around?
No. Hi guys, good evening. Good afternoon actually. We've been here for a bit. We've been here for the last 2 days. This is our last leg and we have to go to Mumbai in the evening.
सिद्धार्थ अपनी फेवरेट जगह पे आपको लेकर गया है. You are basically belong to Amritsar.
Amritsar and Delhi.
Yes, I was born in Amritsar and then I think I was in Welham in Dehradun studying and then my parents moved to Delhi. So I've been all over.
So सिद्धार्थ किसको ले गया अपनी फेवरेट जगह कुछ खिलाने?
ये मुझे अपने
कल रात को ही लेके गया इनको अपने घर. हम लोग सब मेरे घर में थे यहाँ ही साउथ दिल्ली में. They met my family, the whole team was there. So it was a nice evening.
Yeah, we got some yummy snacks which we don't get in Bombay ever.
There is nothing like the Punjabi hospitality.
I know, exactly.
Nothing.
Punjabi food,
Nothing.
Punjabi hospitality, and now Punjabi songs also. So we've got an amazing track with us. So we're really excited to push all the North Indians and Punjabis in Bollywood.
So who's loved the track of Bar Bar Dekho? You want to give a shout out to Kala Chashma?
Excellent.
I think it's the song itself, and even though it's been around and you guys decided to kind of repackage it and use it in the film, it's creating history, the kind of buzz that's there around the song.
But have you guys heard the rest of the album? Yeah. Yes? So there is a lot more than Kala Chashma, right? Okay, lovely. Good. Now.
Great. Nitya, I want to start by asking you, and of course you've been asked this before, as to how the idea of time travel through a love story would have come to you. One already knows that it struck you as a unique idea, but how difficult was it to narrate it to the actors? Hello! We have
hello, sorry.
Stunning Katrina join us. I was just asking Nitya, how difficult was it to narrate the idea of time travel to the both of you?
First of all, I'm a really bad narrator. So I was actually very nervous when I went to both of them. But then I realized that if I really want to make this film, I should get my act together. I think the narration per se was not that difficult because they made it quite comfortable for me. But I think the film is very intriguing, it's very new, it's one of its kind, it's a love story, it's got a high concept, and there's nothing like it that I think you guys have seen before. So, and I think the actors felt the same way when I narrated it to them.
So all those stories about Katrina breaking down when she heard the narration, was it because she's saying she's bad at narrating?
No, that was because she was emotionally moved and she didn't break down. It was actually quite a nice little, 1 or 2 tears that just I saw, and there was my glimmer of hope. I was like, yes, I think I have her. So yeah.
So Katrina cried and I felt hungry because I was eating. I was training for Brothers.
While listening to the script?
Yes, while listening to the script, I was eating the narration.
It's exactly like the characters, Jay and Dia.
Jay feels very hungry and Dia keeps crying.
So Sid, how has it been for you to live in the skin of Jay for a while? How long did the shoot take?
We shot about for 6 to 8 months, and we did various locations. We shot in Glasgow, we shot in Thailand, we shot in Alibag. We came to Delhi also for a day, so it's been pretty interesting. It's been a very long journey. I think it's also been very challenging because of the kind of narrative it is. I'm playing a math professor, who is a bit very introvert, is very obsessed by his work, not so social, and he has his childhood girlfriend, which he loves, but yet he's very scared of committing to her. Which I feel some boys will relate to here, where we don't want to settle down so early, we feel, and we want to concentrate more on our career than our love life. So he's exactly like one of the Delhi boys. And then he goes on this very interesting and unique journey where he gets to see the future of his love story. So I think it was one of a kind characters, and it was challenging to play 3 different generations as well. We're playing everything from, say, teenage to old age. In one film you'll see an actor do that, or all the actors do that.
And I'm sure you've got a great response, particularly with the old age look.
Yeah, and when I'm 46 in the trailer, I've been getting an interesting response for that. That's a full prosthetic look with the beard and some pieces on the cheeks. So that was interesting. We worked really hard on the look. All of us used to sit in makeup for 5 hours and shoot after that. So we're super excited. People are liking the look.
And he's got a great response because they're saying he looks handsome even when he's 46.
Yeah,
So
I
now we know.
I can't wait to age now.
Yeah.
How reassuring can that be? Age is not going to touch you. So, Katrina, each time we think that you've raised the benchmark to a state where you can't look more stunning, you end up surprising everyone. It's an amazingly gorgeous look that you spot in the film, particularly in the song. When I've asked the readers to give us questions, I think all the questions pertain to how can she look so beautiful, especially in the Kala Chashma song. Karan says that there is something that he does because whenever there's his name associated with the film, whether it's Chikni Chameli or Kala Chashma, you just break all barriers of gorgeousness. So
that is actually a good point. I think you have picked out the secret. Karan Johar you're referring to, yes? Yes, I think that is the key. Maybe it's Karan's magic touch. That is the trick, and a very, very good cinematographer, very good lighting, great makeup people, a great director. But the fun thing about in this film, in Baar Baar Dekho, was trying to look different in all the different ages of the film. So even though the story is set in today's time, our Jay and Dia's character, the whole love story isn't today. We do go into see in the future and see them at different ages. So the looks that you have at different ages, that was really fun for us to create those looks because we could do anything, and they've done it pretty interestingly. I mean, there's quite a range of looks you're gonna get to see in the film.
What aspect of Dia's personality did you find the hardest to get? I mean, did you have to really, yeah?
I don't think it was hard for Katrina because I think she really related to the character actually.
Yeah, I think I found everything quite easy. In fact, I've said that this is one of the characters which I think I could relate to the most. I also think it's going to be one of the characters that all women are going to be able to relate to the most. What happens in a relationship, what happens with your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, I feel that you're gonna see this movie and be like, yeah, okay, I know that feeling. Yeah. I know what that's like. But yeah, there's
I think in a love story, particularly in a film that rides on emotions, that's the most important thing because the moment you strike a chord with
and similarly with Jay, I mean, I think like there's so many aspects of Jay that I relate to because everyone asks me that, oh, you must have written an amazing role for Dia, and I was like, no, actually, very often I look at Jay and I think like, oh my God, there's so many aspects of me. So I'm hoping that whether it's Jay or Dia, like I think just the audience, even if they go in and they say that, oh, that reminds me of my situation, I think we'll be home.
Absolutely. Well, so true of that, and I think the trailer of the film itself gives you that idea, and I think the more people would watch the film, the more they'd relate to it. We have some winners of the Baar Baar Dekho contest, and you know the format of Stars in the City. They have lots of things to ask of you, and the first one is for Katrina from Priyanshi. Do you have your name correct? Priyanshi.
Hi, myself. Hi, I'm Priyanshi. I want to ask you, like you have been such a successful celebrity, what motivates you to give more towards the society and towards the industry? My question is for you, Katrina.
What's your mean?
Yeah.
So what motivates me to?
Okay, I'm saying like you have been such a successful celebrity, you have been through so many struggles. What motivates you to give more towards the industry?
Towards society?
Industry.
The industry?
Yeah, like to keep coming back with more films.
Ah, okay, like that. That's you have to have a goal every day. You have to wake up in the morning and have a focus and have an ideal. Now, in our film Baar Baar Dekho, we speak about that whether that what drives you is love and work, or whether it's a balance of both. So in my case, in my work, what drives me is the desire to do better. To do better films. I want to make films that move people, and I want to be part of movies that are going to be there forever and that people love. I want to be part of memorable films, and if I can in that process create a few memorable characters, then I'd be very happy.
Lovely, that's a lovely answer. Katrina, you know, of course, as everyone else does, that the title of the film is from a very famous old Bollywood song. Could you hum a few lines of the song for us, if you know?
No, but Sid can and I can dance.
Sid, why don't you just sing the original?
I think we all should sing it together because I know all of you know it. See, they're saying yes. Huh? Everyone knows, no? Baar baar
Everybody knows the first line at least, guys.
So, एक
Okay,
दो
so we
line तो
start.
हम लोग गा सकते हैं ना साथ में. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 3 के बाद, huh?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारी दिलरुबा ताने हो.
Lovely. Amit Pal Singh Gulati has the next question.
Hello Nitya, hello Katrina, and hi Siddharth.
Hello.
My name is Amit. I have a question for Siddharth. You are very serious about your fitness, so I want to know what is your fitness mantra?
My fitness mantra.
Yeah.
Fitness mantra is very difficult to concise in one line or few words. I think I believe in fitness and health. Just visually आप जैसे दिख रहे हैं उस पर ध्यान ना दें कि आप पतले हैं कि मोटे हैं. I think एक सेहतमंद, एक health, एक energy level या injury free, आपकी back muscles, आपकी bones सब strong होने चाहिए. I try to concentrate on those aspects. Otherwise, definitely take out at least 20 to 45 minutes a day. जब आप workout करें, it could be any activity. Walking, playing sports. I love playing sports. I'm very obsessed by this HT Jifa जो होने वाला है. मैं कब से देख रहा हूँ. So I'm excited. I think it's a great initiative, and अगर आप sports खेलते हैं तो you'll be fit and happier also. So try and play sports.
Excellent. Siddharth, now that you've mentioned it, HTG5 is our attempt to try and inculcate that fitness and sport thing, and for once tell the kids that they need to look beyond just cricket, which our country does, and there's so much that we can do. And 3,000 teams from various localities, these are colony teams who've signed up, and all kids 12 to 17 years of age.
That's a lovely initiative. Thank you, HT. I think sports is a thing that when you're growing up, it teaches you everything about life there is. You have winning, losing, anger, competitiveness, team spirit. It just has every possible emotion that you would see when you're working in the future. So I think it is very important for all of us to play a team sport or an individual sport, and just basically have it in our lifestyle. So thank you for an initiative like this.
We'd love for you to sign an HTGFA ball for us to keep as memory's sake, all three of you, while we look at the next question, which is for Nitya from Lakshana.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Hi.
Nitya. So my question is that you've been mentored by Farhan Akhtar, and so what did he have to say about this film?
I think
very nice things.
Yeah, I think he was quite proud actually. I think so, but I think I'm sure you're going to see him around here soon. So please ask him. No, I think he really, also he's been with me through the process. So, I mean, he read the script, and he's my producer. And yeah, so, I mean, I got the go-ahead from him a while ago. And I think he was very pleasantly surprised with the way it's come up.
Cute. Chirag has the next question.
Hello. My question is to Siddharth. If there was a real time machine, what would you like to change in your past or in your future?
Wow. If there was, I think पहले बता दो हमारी पिक्चर में कोई टाइम मशीन नहीं है. It's not a science fiction. It's a fictitious story जो होता है लड़के के साथ कि अचानक से इसको आगे फ्यूचर देखने का मौका मिलता है. But if I had the option to go back and forth, what would I change? अगर आप पूछ रहे हैं, I keep thinking that I think when I was growing up, my parents used to take a lot of stress with me in my studies. So if I could change my class 9th and 10th marks, go back and score well, my mom would be happy and be more relaxed in my childhood.
All right, so as I told you, thousands of HT readers are right now watching this on our portal, hindustantimes.com and Desi Machini. So Soumya from the .com team has a question which they would have asked you, or a request. Yes?
Basically a request, they want you to say any dialogue in the film with a Snapchat filter.
The Snapchat filter. Okay, wow. But we'll do this later then, not here. We have to take a selfie, right?
No, I can do it at home.
But if I look at her, you'll get it?
No, you'll have to do it as a selfie.
I'll have to do it as a selfie, now.
Give it to him here.
But we'll do it around later.
Why don't we do it in the studio?
Yeah, we'll do it later. Yeah.
All right, great.
Excuse me.
Okay, Ishita Mehta has the next question.
Hi. Hi, my question for Siddharth. I want to know what are your hobbies besides, of course, acting?
Well, acting is my not my hobby. It's become profession and passion now. Hobbies would be I have definitely playing sports. For example, I used to play for a Delhi rugby team here, which is Delhi Hurricanes, which taught me so much about fitness and just playing outdoor sports. And very few people know about rugby actually. And I used to play basketball in school. So I pretty much always associated something with outdoor activities. Now I get lesser and lesser time. If I can say, take my bike out. I have a motorbike which I rarely take out now, but I used to more often in the night just for a drive. It's extremely relaxing. And yeah, I think my pretty much time goes out in some kind of outdoor activity or watching movies, as you say.
Katrina, which is your favorite song in the film? The music is fabulous, as you know, but would we assume the obvious and say Kala Chashma or?
See, of course, Kala Chashma is my favorite dance song, and it's an amazing number, and it genuinely is a song like this I've not seen in the last few years. It's definitely special, but a song which I think is staying with me more and more and more, and I think is going to be the one which is going to remain closest to me is Darya, which has come last week, I think, which is a romantic track in the film.
Which is another beautiful number.
Beautiful, yes.
Jagannath has a question to ask of Katrina, and I don't know, there's so much of fitness getting talked about. You also have a fitness-related question to ask of Katrina.
ऐसा लग रहा है हम gold gym में आ गए हैं.
Hello, all of you. Siddharth sir, according to me, your upcoming Akshay Kumar of Bollywood.
Upcoming Akshay Kumar of Bollywood. Okay, yes. Great. Thank you. Yeah.
And for Katrina, ma'am, what's your fitness secret? Like yoga or gym?
Gym. If you're asking me what I personally do, then gym, yes, functional training.
You all are really into fitness, huh?
Suddenly Delhi ने अपना खाना पीना बटर चिकन छोड़ के fitness से related questions पूछे शुरू कर दिए हैं. Rohan has a question for Katrina. Yes, Rohan.
Hi, Siddharth.
Hi. Hi, Rohan. I can hear you.
Is it working? Hi, Siddharth. Hi, Nitya. Hi, Katrina. Katrina, first of all, I love you. And I've been trying to meet you since I was 16. I've been taking part in this contest.
One must ask, how old are you now?
I'm 21 now.
5 साल, ठीक है.
So finally, it's actually...
These are our colleagues? No.
No.
So I actually believe that the universe has actually conspired so that I could meet her today. So I'm really thankful for that.
Well, I agree with you there that I also believe everything happens for a reason, and I believe the universe may not conspire, but I believe the universe orchestrates everything that's meant to happen in our lives. So what is it that you do?
I've just completed my graduation and I'm preparing for a master's right now.
In?
Maybe I'm going to be giving IAS, so I don't know.
In sorry?
Masters in what?
IAS.
No, you're doing your masters in what?
I'm going to be preparing for the next competitive exam.
Best of luck, man.
Best of luck. And maybe in the future, our paths shall cross again for some reason.
Maybe in a different day, you never know.
Yes.
Yeah, so my question for you is, how do you stay motivated during hard times? Because since we all know you've seen a lot of highs in your life, and I'm not saying that they came easy. I've read about your story, I've read a lot about you. I read almost every interview of yours. So how do you stay motivated during hard times?
Well, much like we just talked about, I really do believe that the universe does allow and make everything happen for a reason. I'm a big believer in God. My mom has brought us up with that kind of belief that everything happens for a reason and God is watching out over us. So when you take that stress off your own shoulders, that your life is not just in your hands, but that someone else is looking out for you, then that takes the pressure off of you, and that takes the burden off of you, that you're not alone in whatever is happening, and that there is a greater power. Whatever religion you may follow, there is a greater power who is protecting us and caring for us. So I believe that. I'm a big believer in God, and in a hard time I say a prayer. And then I keep trying my best. You know, I do believe that in any hard times, your attitude is what is important. Your attitude must remain positive, because sometimes I think life gives you tests. And in those tests, that is what I believe life is trying to see, and God's trying to make sure that our attitude is right and that we don't become angry or bitter.
Can we please hear it for that lovely, sensible advice that Katrina is? No, seriously, those are wise words because it's all about looking at the positive.
Very wise girl. Very wise.
All right, I'm done with my questions. Sakshi, who's a big fan of Siddharth's, has written a letter, long letter to him, which he just wants to present to you. You can read
So
it.
sweet. Thank you, Sakshi.
In your free time.
Thank you.
I want to hear this in the cinema tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, there are many moments. I want to hear them.
Thank you. I will, of course. I will.
Thank you, Sakshi. Yeah, it's a long letter. And there is
Thank you, so sweet.
a VIP surprise fan of Katrina's as well, who has something to say to her. VIP, and you'll know why I'm saying VIP. You've got the...
What? This is very curious.
हाँ जी, नमस्कार जी। नहीं जी, नहीं, हमारे पास कोई सीडी नहीं है जी। हमारे पास कोई सीडी नहीं। आपको माँ का समय फ़ोन मत करना वापस से जी। हाँ जी, कट कर रहा हूँ जी। हाँ जी, नमस्कार जी। जब से हमारे मिनिस्टर की सीडी लीक हुई है ना जी, हमें फ़ोन आ रहे हैं, सीडी दे दो, सीडी दे दो, सीडी दे दो। हम दे नहीं पा रहे हैं, हमारे पास है ही नहीं जी। लेकिन आज हमें पता लग गया जी कि पिक्चर जब लीक हो जाती है ना जी, चाहे वो आप लोगों की पिक्चर हो या हमारे मिनिस्टर की फ़ोन से रिकॉर्ड करी पिक्चर हो, बड़ा दुख होता है, बड़ा नुकसान होता है जी। आज यहाँ शीला जी आई हुई है जी, एक बार ज़ोरदार तालियां हो जाए। एक वो शीला जी थी जिनकी हमने कुर्सी छीनी थी, एक ये शीला जी हैं। माँ कसम आपकी कुर्सी नहीं छीन सकते, हम जान दे देंगे आपके लिए जी। इनके बारे में क्या कहें जी, इनके हमारे में समानता है जी। हमने काला धन फेमस करा था जी, आपने काला चश्मा फेमस कर दिया। ये देखिए जी,
सुपर।
दूसरा एक और चीज़ कहना चाहेंगे जी, आप बुरा तो नहीं मान रहे, हम आपको शीला कह रहे हैं जी।
नहीं बिल्कुल।
पीछे लोग कह रहे थे जी आप पहचानती नहीं हमें, आप हमें पहचानती कि नहीं पहचानती है, बता दीजिए। इनकी आंखों में हमें प्यार दिख गया जी, इनकी आंखों में प्यार दिख गया, बहुत है हमारे लिए, बहुत है जी। बाकी सिद्धार्थ आपसे एक बात कहना चाहते हैं।
हाँ जी,
आपकी पिक्चर आ रही है, पहचान की, जोरदार तालियां हमारे लिए जी, जोरदार तालियां।
केजरीवाल साहब, लेकिन चश्मा के साथ मैंने पहचाना नहीं। अभी चश्मा निकालिए। हाँ ठीक,
ये हुई ना बात।
चश्मे पे चश्मा,
चश्मे पे
लेकिन हाँ,
एक पिक्चर आपकी जो अब आ रही है जी, बार बार देखो।
हाँ जी।
इसका टाइटल हमारे से इंस्पायर्ड है जी। पूछो कैसे जी?
कैसे
बताइए।
आपकी बार बार देखो है ना जी, हम 2 साल से एक पिक्चर बना रहे हैं जी, बार बार फेंको। इतना फेंक रहे हैं, इतना फेंक रहे हैं। और दूसरी बात पूछना चाहेंगे जी, बार बार देखो के बारे में KRK ने कहा है जी। KRK कह रहे हैं कि हमने आपकी पिक्चर फेमस कर दी है। मैं चाहता हूँ जी, मैं चाहता हूँ आप KRK के लिए दिल्ली की भाषा में 2-4 शब्द कह दें जी।
दिल्ली की भाषा में तो कुछ और शब्द आ रहे हैं जो मैं कह नहीं आता यहाँ पे।
समझिए जी, समझदार हैं जी।
हाँ,
कह दो एक बार, कहना चाहते हैं।
अब क्या कहना, अभी कल ही सब कहेंगे, अभी कल पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है, वही जवाब हो जाएगा।
दिल्ली दिल में कह रहे हैं जी। बाकी ये कह रहे थे जी रग्बी बहुत अच्छी खेलते हैं, हम इनसे अच्छी रग्बी खेल लेते हैं जी।
अच्छा,
हाँ जी।
खेली आपने स्पोर्ट?
रग्बी में क्या करना होता है जी?
हाँ जी।
गेंद उड़ा के भागना होता है जी।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हमसे अच्छा कौन भाग सकता है जी? वादे करके भागते हैं, कुर्सी उठा के भागते हैं, गोली दे के भागते हैं, हमसे अच्छा कौन भागा है जी?
क्या बात है।
और नित्या जी ये डायरेक्टर हैं, एक रोल हमें दे दीजिए पिक्चर में जी। हम कहते हैं जी इनसे अच्छी एक्टिंग कर लेते हैं हम। कितने टाइम से एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं जी, कब से सत्ता में आए हैं तब से एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, धमाल हो रहा है जी। सारे हमारी वाहवाही कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं आप बताइए? बिल्कुल कर रहे हैं। और एक और बात कहना चाहता हूँ जी, शीला जी के लिए, कटरीना जी के लिए, 2 ही लोगों के फैन है जी हम, एक मोदी जी, दूसरी कटरीना जी। जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए हो जाएंगे। और अभी मैं यहाँ से जा रहा हूँ जी, क्योंकि हमें जाना है, सर्जरी करा के आनी है जी। और आपका जो गाना है तेरे ना दी तुम्मा पै गई, तो चंडीगढ़ तो आई नहीं, चंडीगढ़ से पंजाब में जाके हमारी प्रमोशन कर दीजिए जी प्लीज़, क्योंकि हम तो जा रहे हैं जी। और अभी यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप यहाँ से अभी थोड़ी देर में नहीं जाएंगे तो आपकी फिर फ्लाइट मिस हो जाएगी, और बाहर ये हाहाकार मच जाएगी जी कि आपको फ्लाइट में चढ़ने नहीं दिया। वो गलत बात है जी, इनको फ्लाइट में चढ़ने दे रहे थे, लेकिन भीड़ इतनी होगी जी, इन्होंने कहा कि हमारे फैन से पहले मिलेंगे, उसके बाद फ्लाइट पकड़ेंगे। जोरदार तालियां इस बात के लिए।
और जोरदार तालियां RJ Lucky from Fever 104 FM. A big round of applause for him.
हंसे लीजिए हम एक बार।
That was smart. To end this on a high note, and of course we've been waiting to shake a leg with the stars, is a tribute to Bar Bar Dekho from Fever 104, the troupe of Fever 104 FM.
Oh. Wow. Okay. is unique. Yeah. This is also first of its kind.
लगा सनसेट भाई तेरा हुल सेट मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को तुमको का फीवर चढ़ने लगा थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे It's not your जब लड़के के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला काला चिपका है तेरे चिन पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में मेरे वर्गी और न होनी तू मुंडा बिल्कुल काला 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 ओ मैनू काला चश्मा